Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya. So today we are doing a Rakhi makeup tutorial. So for this look I have choose this suit which is really good in color, and I have kundan earrings with it. So this is a very pretty suit. So we are going to create a very soft look for this, and also it's not so gaudy and it's not so even light. So this is the perfect outfit for the Rakhi celebration. So first I'm tying my hair so that my hair will not full with makeup. So now the first step I'm doing is to do my eyebrows first. For that I'm taking a brown eyeshadow and making my eyeshadow into my eyebrows. I mean to say, actually I'm having cold, so yeah, my voice is little weird. So I'm making my eyebrows with the eyeshadow only because I want them to be looking little light. Yeah, so now I'm shaping it with the MN concealer. So this concealer is from MN Cosmetic. These guys have very nice products, you can try them. So after this I'm going to blend it properly. Make sure to not avoid this step because this will enhance your eyebrows. So after doing it I'm taking another concealer from Maybelline, which I'm doing for the eyelids. This will long last your eyeshadow. So yeah, so now I'm taking a brush and taking dark brown color for the bottom color of my eyes, blending it inwards and outwards properly, repeating the same step onto other eyes. So as you know, we are using darker color here, so for creating light color long lasting we have to use concealer. So I'm drawing a concealer to the desired place where I want to apply the light eyeshadow. So the shade I'm going to take, that would be a kind of a skin shimmery shade. So yeah, this is the shade I'm blending. So make sure to blend it properly. Now I'm using the little lighter golden shade for the eye and blending it onto the area we have applied the silver shade. Make sure to blend it properly. So we only have to blend this into half of our eye. Now I'm drawing a simple liquid eyeliner. So I'm drawing a simple plain line. It depends on you if you want to do a thick liner or a thin liner. That totally depends on you. Now I'm using Maybelline's mascara, and this is a very good volume mascara. I don't use falsies because I don't think I require them. So yeah, so I'm going to apply 2 or 3 coats of my mascara and I'll be good to go. So yeah. So you can see already my lashes are looking so freaking big, and a little bit on my bottom eyelashes also I'm going to apply 1 coat. So the eyes are already done, so now I'm creating little wink. Earlier I thought of drawing a small liner, but now I did it a little wink for the more gorgeous look. And bottom also applying a little layer. So now I'm applying a moisturizer. So yeah, now I'm using my foundation. So this foundation is so freaking good from Color Essence. So I always apply it with moisturizer because my skin is so freaking dry, and the makeup will look more glossy if I do it together. So that's why I'm doing it. So make sure to blend your makeup completely so that it doesn't look cakey, because it's freaking summer and sweaty kind of a weather. So make sure to do it little glossy. Now I'm using my MN concealer. This concealer is so freaking good. It hides all your blemishes, pigmentation, whatever you are having in your face. So my face is so clear these days. That's why I don't need any coverage kind of a foundation. So after this I'm using my compact from Fit Me Maybelline. So I'm doing this makeup with affordable products. I'm not using any expensive products here, so that you guys can do it with simple inexpensive makeup. Now I'm using my highlighter. So the highlighter I'm using, it's from Shivyana Cosmetics. So this highlighter is little contrasty with the suit, that's why I'm applying it. So yeah, I'm applying it little bit onto my nose, and I don't love to do contouring and all, it looks so unnatural, so that's why. So now I'm using my blush on my cheeks and little bit on the nose area. Make sure to smile upwards and apply. Now I'm applying a coral shade liquid matte lipstick, so you can change the shade according to your choice. I think this shade looks better on me, that's why I chose it. So this is what I have created. So this is the very simple and very glossy makeup look for the Raksha Bandhan. So, and it's freaking comfortable and easy to achieve. You can yourself see it's looking so freaking good. So I thought of doing a back ponytail with a center parting, and it's looking freaking beautiful.